Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change your profile picture in the Theme app. So let's get started. Open the Temu app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the Temu application on the home page at the bottom of the screen, look for your profile that says You and then click on it. Then on the next page near the top of the screen, you can see your profile picture and your name. If you want to change your profile picture, click on them. Clicking will open a new page where you will also click on your profile picture. The application will open a new page where you will scroll down to the photo option and click on it. A small window will open where you have two options. To choose from the library or take a photo, it's up to you whether you want to choose a picture from the library or you want to make a picture. We will select from our library and click on it. Also, the app allows you to edit your profile picture a bit. When you do that, just click on the approval sign. Your profile picture will now be updated with the new picture you selected. And that is that. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your profile picture in Theme app. It's a quick and easy process that can help keep your profile looking fresh and up to date. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more app tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.